I'm Jason Copping, Minister of Health, and I'm here at the Rockyview General Hospital in Calgary with Dr. Sid Viner, Medical Director of Clinical Operations for Alberta Health Services. And we're here for one reason, and that's to say thank you. Thank you for your tremendous work in not only helping getting Alberta through the pandemic, but in particular the challenges being faced getting Albertans through this fourth wave. And I'm here in the Rockyview with Dr. Viner to hear the stories and the challenges that healthcare workers are facing every day to be able to serve Albertans with passion, commitment, and compassion. And with that, I'd like to ask Dr. Viner if you can share some of the stories that you've been hearing from frontline staff and ICUs and the challenges that they're facing to be able to help deal with this fourth wave.
We've all been so impressed and proud of our staff and physicians who have had to look after incredibly sick patients under very difficult circumstances, both because of the patient numbers and because of how sick many of the patients are. And people have shown incredible care, compassion, and commitment to provide this care. People have come together in ways we haven't seen before, where not only staff in the ICU on the wards who would normally care for these patients have been working very long hours, but we've had staff from multiple other areas, emergency departments, the operating room areas, the surgical suites, helping out, and incredible collaboration, incredible esprit de corps to do what needs to be done to provide the best care possible.
And I was wondering, Dr. Viner, if you can tell me about the staff rising to the challenge and what impact it has had on mental health.
It's been very difficult for our staff, our physicians working on the front line. Many aspects to it, the limitations on visitation, the number of deaths, regrettably. It has been difficult on people's mental health, and as an organization, we've been doing everything possible to try and support people, and most importantly, colleagues have been supporting one another in truly remarkable ways.
Thank you, Dr. Viner, for sharing those stories. And again, I want to come back to the main purpose while we're here. It's just truly to say thank you to frontline care workers for the tremendous work that you've been doing throughout the entire pandemic and helping us get through this fourth wave. I know it's been incredibly difficult and we're not out of the woods yet, but your compassion and your passion has gotten us this far, and I know it will get us across the finish line. And every day Albertan is watching this, the best way that we can say thank you to our healthcare workers is to help flatten the curve, follow the advice of our Chief Medical Officer of Health, and get vaccinated. And if you have questions about vaccinations, please call 811 or reach out to a healthcare professional. And once again, I want to say thank you to all healthcare professionals and Dr. Viner for the tremendous work you're doing in supporting Albertans and Albertans' health.